Here we discuss everything financial business. You're welcome to this channel, and I'm ready to give you value back to back without wasting much of your time. 5 basic tools needed by a forex beginner. The first one is MT4 or MT5. Now MT5 is the updated version of MT4. So with MT4 or the MT5 app, you'd be able to place your trade. You'll be able to see different currency, choose the one you prefer to trade and place the trade, right? So I'll proceed to show you how you can get this MT4 or the MT5 app. So the first thing you have to do is to head to your Play Store, right? So once in your Play Store, you simply click on search, right? And you can click to search MT4, right? Search, and you see the app here as it's showing from here. MetaTrader for forex trading. Now, had it been I've not installed this app previously, you could have seen a place where it asking me to install, but the app is already on my phone, so it asking me to open the app, all right, or to uninstall it. So I'll just proceed to open it, but in your own case you just click on install, right? So let's open the app and you see the outlook of it. I'll click on open, and as you can see, this is how you see your charts, all right? This is the way you see your charts, all right? And you'll be able to access different currencies. You'll be able to access different currencies. So this is the MT4 meta trading app, all right? So it's the same way you would also download the MT5 app. So this is the first tool you just be needing, right? I'll proceed to the second tool that you need. The next tool is the trading view. In the trading view, you'd be able to analyze your trade and also place trade. Previously, you can analyze, then go to your broker and place your trade, but recently many brokers are now integrating into the trading view, whereby you can analyze your trade and also place trade immediately. So you can also go to your Play Store. There are 2 different ways to which you can access the trading view. Now the first one is through your Play Store. So when you click on search, you just type in trading view. That's if you need to download it as an app. If you want to download the app into your phone, so you click on trading view and you see this is the trading view app here. So what you need to do is just to simply do what? Install it, all right? Just to install it. But I already have the app, so I will not be needing to install it. So I'll proceed to also open it the way I did with the MT4. I'll click on open, and it's loading. So the trading view has a whole lot of important features where you can analyze and place your trade. When you click on chart, you'll be able to see your chart from here, and from here you can start making your analysis, all right, and start placing trades. That is if you integrate your broker to the trading view. Now as a beginner, everything might look confusing to you, but I'll also create or a video whereby I'll be giving a detailed explanation of all the whole features and tools on the trading view, and not just on the trading view but also on the MT4. So if you like such a video, you can click on the comment section, all right? So this is the trading view, and from here you can start placing trade, analyzing using all these tools, right? All right, so you can also get the trading view by going to your online, searching Google. You can search Google and type in trading view. I'll click on the this app to search Google, and I'll type in trading view. All right, this is tradingview.com, and I'll click, and you see it's the same feature. It is the same feature as in on the mobile phone. You can also access it online, directly online, provided that you're using the same email address that you used in signing in. All right, so it kind of synchronizes everything. Whatever you get online is what you still see on your app. All right, so from here you can see indices, stock, crypto, future, forex, bond, EFT, all these things are here. So when I click on this feature, let me show you. So if I should click here, then you see product. I'll click here, then it will bring out these options. Then you have to click on product. When you click on product, you will now see an option for what? Super charts. Now from here you can now click on super charts. You can now click on super charts, and it will take you directly to your chart. That is if you want to access trading view from online. Now you can see your chart, and you see you confirm that it is the same thing that we saw on our mobile version. It is the same chart that we saw on our mobile phone. That is when we install trading view on the mobile phone, it is the same chart here. All right, so you see it is the same thing. It synchronizes everything. Now the next tool that you need as a beginner forex trader is let's check. So it's loading now. You'll be needing yes, a position size calculator. A position size calculator is very important if you're a beginner forex trader. This is because it will help you to understand the right lot size you want to place, your pips movement, your account balance, help you to know the risk reward ratio you'd be taking. All right, now as a beginner forex trader, you might be confused with all these figures, and it might be a little bit or a thing to worry about. But with the position size calculator, you can easily place trade without even blowing an account. All right, so to access this position size calculator, you also go to your Google and type in babypips.com, or you can even use the my FX book to also analyze this calculator. So but let's use the babypigs.com to check out the position size calculator. Google, I'll check on Google, then from here I'll click babypigs.com and then go, and it's loading. So once it's load, you would click on tools here. All right, now and scroll. As you can see plenty tools there. You can see a currency correlation calculator, the forex market hours, risk on, risk off meter, gain and loss percentage calculator, pips value. But this is not what we're looking for. So we're looking for the position size calculator, this particular tool here. All right, so we want to click on it and impute our values. All right, so you click on it, and it brought us to this page. Here you'd now be able to impute the currency you are trading on. So when you click on account currency, you'll be able to choose the currency in which your account is in. So for in this case, I'll choose dollar. Then account balance, let's say you have an account balance of $100. All right, you impute it here. But if you have an account balance of $200, $500, $1,000, $20, $20,000, $50,000, $100,000, you can also impute it here. Then the risk percentage, I would impute 1. It's always advisable to place your risk to reward as a beginner trader to 1%. Your risk rewards to 1%. That is, if you'll be risking only 1% of your account to get or 2% reward. That is if your risk to reward is 1:2. All right, so your stop loss, let's say you used a stop loss value of 15, all right, or let's say 20. So you impute it here, and what next you have to do, you just simply click, and okay, on the currency pair, let me say GBP USD. So you have to search for the currency pair here. In this case, let me use GBP USD. All right, now just watch out from this section, and you see it will give you the right lot size you're going to use. All right, if you're going to use a standard lot, mini lot, or micro lot, the results will be shown here. Immediately I click on the word calculate. So if we have an account balance of $100 and we want to risk 1% of our account, and we are placing our stop loss at 20 pips, now the currency is GBP USD, I'll click on calculate, and immediately it will show you, it will give you your results here, guiding you properly. It shows that for 1% risk of $100 account, you'll be risking $1. All right, you'll be risking just $1. And if your risk to reward percentage is 1:2, that means for every $1 you risk, you'll be getting $2. All right, so for your lot size, so you can decide when you are placing the trade to either use the standard lot, which is 0.005, or the mini lot or the micro lot. All right, so this is one way to checkmate your risk management as a beginner forex trader. So we'll go to the next two. The economic calendar, like the Forex Factory and my FX book. Now from here, you'll be able to, from these applications, you'll be able to read news release concerning the different pairs that you might be interested in. All right, so for you to access the Forex Factory, you still go back to your Google and search for Forex Factory. So let's do that together. I'll click here and I'll type in Forex Factory, forexfactory.com. As you can see, it's already highlighted for us, and we are here. From here you can see a whole lot of things. From the you'll be able to see forum, news release, calendar, market, brokers, and what have you. So from here, all right, you'll be able to read different news related to the currency pair that you are interested in. All right, so when you click on calendar, and this is Friday evening, and from here you can see Sunday, you can see the Monday, Tuesday, the Wednesday, and Thursday, and Friday. And from here you'll be able to make your analysis, all right, based on the news events. And when you click on news here, you'll be able to see different news, all right, as related to different currencies and different region. All right, so the next economic calendar I would like to show you, which contains several other things, is my FX book, myfxbook.com. Okay, now from here, when I click on this three horizontal line, I'll show you. If I click on this three horizontal line here, you'll be able to see a whole lot of different tools, ranging from the calendar, the calculator, the news itself, sentiment, forex heat map, correlation map. All these tools will be available for you to access. Okay, so you can also click on news from this side, and you see all the whole forex news that you can use to relate to your charts. All right, I'll click here again, and this is the calculator. You can also make use of the calculator in the my FX book section. All right, so you see a whole lot of different calculator: the currency converter, the position size calculator, the pips calculator. If you want to know the exact number of pip you want to use as regard a particular account size, the Fibonacci calculator, pivot point calculator. There's a whole lot of tools here. All right, so you can just make use of these since you've already seen the tools. Now uh, I'll move on to the last two on my list, which is what? The time converter. As a forex trader, it is very important that you know the time and different section of and different time of the section you would like to be trading. All right, if you like to be trading the Asian section, the Tokyo section, the London section, or the New York section, so it is very important you know the time zone of all these sections, right? With a time zone converter, which you can easily get from your play store, you'll be able to correlate this time zone with wherever you are staying, with wherever you are staying on the globe, right? Now you can also get this time converter, that is the different section that you'll be trading, the time for the different section that you'll be trading, as the one here on my screen now. You can place this to look like this on your screen, just the way this screen is looking now. As you can see, London, Lagos is 8:28 p.m. Friday 4th April, and London is also 8:28 p.m. Friday 4th April. Now London used to be 1 hour behind Lagos because London is GMT 0, right? And Nigerian time is GMT plus 1. So Nigerian used to be 1 hour ahead of London, but because there is a daylight saving, which makes the London's time to equate with the Nigerian time, we are not having the same time, right? Then you can also do so for your New York section. You can correlate the time where you are with any section you would like to be trading. I'll show you how to do that. How do you get to put this to fix these two different time? What do you have to do? Simply um click and hold on your screen, then you click on the widget section. From the widget section you can see clock, so you click on clock, and from here, all right, you see an option to choose a dual clock. You click on it to add, right? So once you click on it, you'll be given this globe. You see this globe, you can scroll, you can toggle. So this is Africa, right? And this is Lagos, so you can click to put Lagos, right? Okay, this is Lagos 8:30. I'll add it up. Right now I would like to this okay, the first city is Lagos from here, and the second city can be Lagos, so like to change to any other city. You can like to change to any other city that would like to see their time. So in this, let me go to North America or South America or the Europe. All right, so this is South America, and this is Europe. So I'd like to, if I when I click on London, the time will start correlating with Lagos. But let me click Berlin. All right, so when I click on Berlin, I'll click on change. As you can see from here, you can now start seeing Lagos time and that of Berlin, and this will help you in knowing the exact time of the section you want to trade. So you can choose to add London and Lagos and London, Lagos and New York, all right, or Lagos and the Asian section. I'm calling on Lagos, that is if you are in Nigeria, right? So you can easily do the same thing as regarding the city where you are, all right, if you're not in Nigeria. So after doing this, you can click on save. So when you click on save, this will automatically come to your screen and you can adjust, all right? So you can now see the Lagos time and the Berlin time, so you can set this. I hope this video was insightful. I hope it was helpful. If you have a comment and you also have a video request of whatever video you want me to create. Please do not hesitate to type it in the comment section. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one. Bye.